how to delete Chrome browser history on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you want to delete your Chrome browser history, then open up your Google Chrome and then you will see three dots on the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it and then swipe to the left and you'll find the history icon. Tap on it and here you'll find all of your Chrome history. Now if you want to delete only one specific history, then long press on it and then you'll find the delete option. Just tap on delete and then it will be deleted. However, if you want to delete all of your history, then tap on delete browsing history on the bottom left and then you can choose the time range to all time and then tap on delete data. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.